Now that you've logged into OpenFIT, the first screen you'll see is the Case and Client List screen. To create a new case, click here on the Add Case button. A pop-up screen appears, and the first step is to add the case details. Case number is the first detail to add here, and this is the reference number that your agency assigns to this new case. This will generally be in the paperwork you have available for this new case, or in the case record details on your client record system. It's important to add a case number here so you can later on easily link the case feedback details that you have in OpenFIT to the case notes you already have for this client. If you do not have a case number, we suggest you create a simple case number using the client's initials and the date the case was created. Next, you select the case type. You have 4 options here: individual, couple, family, or group. It's important to select the correct case type, as this will affect the options you have later on. The start date of the case will default to today's date. To change it, click on the calendar icon to the right. Please note that dates here are in US format. Next, select the case status. This will default to open. Later, when the case has ended, you can select the options closed planned if the case was closed by agreement with the therapist and client, or closed unplanned for cases that closed because the client or clients have not attended scheduled sessions. Description is a text field that allows you to write some notes that describe the case or are relevant to the case. OpenFIT is a secure, protected system, but is not designed as a complete client record system, so we would request that client identification details such as name, address, or social security number, or clinical information such as presenting problem or diagnosis codes are not entered here. These details are normally entered to a separate client record system. When you've completed this screen, please click Next to go to the Add Client screen. You'll see it highlighted next.